Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Rex Hub. So guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to claim your free 1 million coins on Hamster. So guys, we're going to crack today's cipher Morse code together on Hamster. So we'll go to our daily cipher. So guys, today's daily cipher Morse code is halve, HALVE, halve. So guys, we're going to get H together. So to get H, we are going to tap on dot. We've gotten our H. To get A, we're going to tap on dot dash. We've gotten our A. To get L, we're going to click on dot dash dot. We've gotten our L. And to get our V, we're going to tap on dot dash. We've gotten our V. So to get E, we're going to click on dot. We've gotten our E. So guys, we have successfully cracked today's Morse code on Hamster together. So we'll take our prize. So guys, as you can see, we've gotten our free 1 million coins on Hamster. So guys, stay tuned on your favorite YouTube channel to get more updates and also to get more updates on this channel. Thank you guys.